Hi, this is Jerome Joseph live in Auckland, New Zealand. I'm here speaking at the Global Speakers Summit on this beautiful stage right behind me. I had a chance to speak to different organizations and brands yesterday. While I was on stage speaking, at the end of my speech, I closed with a really powerful story. A story about something personal that happened to me in my younger days. Now, I had a lot of great ideas when it comes to tips on branding that I shared, but at the end of my speech, people came up to me and all they remembered really was my story that I told. And there's a lesson to this. As brands, we have a lot of functional promises that we make to the whole world. We talk about product specification, we talk about product benefits, but really, what is the most powerful thing that a brand can do? It is by telling a powerful story that connects. It's about telling a powerful story that emotionally connects. When you engage your audience, when you are on stage, your world stage, engaging your audience, think about how you can connect emotionally with your audience. Think about the story that you can weave. Because remember this, people buy based on emotion and justify with logic. My name is Jerome Joseph, the brand guy, and I wish you success in building your world-class brand.